it's me again. What am I doing? This is going to be a really short video. Every morning I get up and I, get out of bed, and my kids get up and my son goes, mama, mama. I go upstairs, I'm all groggy, take a shower, my kids go to school. My wife does a tremendous amount of work, the kids. I have to give her credit where credit's due. If it wasn't my wife, I'd probably, I don't know, probably be a single gray-haired guy who, you know, is run by his kids. 4 kids. But anyway, every morning I get up and my little phone goes ding, and I get a notification. It's either, I don't know, a little after 8 o'clock, because I run all my videos. All my videos are scheduled for 8 o'clock. So if anybody knows, 8 o'clock in the morning. I used to put the tool reviews at 8:15, but I don't really care anymore. Now I've been spacing out tool reviews for 8 o'clock, and they're only on Tuesdays. So it's basically Tool Tuesday. I have them all the way to June or July, probably August or September or whatever. I just keep bouncing them down. And every time I have a tool review video and I do work, I bounce it right out of there and I put my next to work video. So anyway, besides that, I get up in the morning and I, you know, do the whole thing. And later on when I get time, I wait for the kids to go on the bus to get back, and I sit there. And on weekdays, I don't start work till 12 o'clock, Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday. Sometimes I'm working on the building, sometimes doing whatever. But anyway, to make a long story short, there's a person who watches my videos who has a YouTube channel, and I think you should really check it out. It is Vino Rat Rods. I think he's listed on my thing here. Thanks to him, I think he's like my #1 fan. What that movie was there, #1 customer fan. Anyway, seems like a very nice guy. He lives in a place I'd love to go see where he lives. There's a rocket base there. And I'd just like to say, after all these years and all the videos that you watch, I can't believe you even watch my videos because I find some of them boring, but I still make videos. But it's nice to know somebody enjoys them. And I'd just like to say a big shout out to Vino Rat Rods. If you don't go to his channel, you should go check it out. There's a shout out to him. Check it out, help him get 1,000 subscribers, help him get some watch time. And to all the people that help me out enjoying my channel, that's, you know, it's totally appreciated. It's awesome that people help each other out and watch channels and like, you know, videos. Am I a big name YouTuber? Does anybody know who I am? I don't really care. I'm having fun. If you enjoy my videos, it's like, what's his name? I watch Steve Summers every Saturday. It's a 45-minute video. And it's awesome because it seems like a regular guy who does stuff. Even A-Bomb79, he's a famous machinist on thing. And it's fun watching him. And there's a whole bunch of other ones, like the rest of the whole gang of them. But if you're bored, go check out, what do you call it, Vino Rat Rods. He's building a really cool car out of wine barrels. And I think when it comes to building a car out of wine barrels, the first thing that comes to me is, if that car catches fire, it'd be just like a Tesla. You burn, got wine barrels catching on fire, and you have Tesla batteries catching on fire. I don't think wine barrels are as flammable as a Tesla battery, but it's just funny. But anyway, a car looks really cool, and I can't wait to see him finish it. I don't get a chance to watch all his videos right away, but when I do, it's actually pretty cool. Dude seems like he knows what he's doing. I don't know that much about cars. I mean, I know you put it in gear, drive, and, you know, make sure you pay the bill and put gas in it. I never was a car wrencher. I like playing with steel. I like just picking something and figuring out how to make it. And that's me. I turned into a tool junkie. And so everybody go to Vino Rat Rods. Check out his channel. I think I have the link in my channel favorites down there. If not, I'm going to put the link below in this video. If I forget, just send a reminder. I'll put it in the comments. And yeah. I have to, like I said, thank you so much for watching my channel. It's totally awesome. I'm kind of like speechless. So thanks for watching, Toodles, and have a great day.